Welcome to the TimeLock Documentation Mechanical Report app, the easiest way to securely document repairs, change orders, punch list items, estimates, and invoices. The first time you use the app, you'll need to create a project. Tap Projects on the main screen, then tap New Project. Give your project a name, then tap Create. Now, tap the project folder you just created. The next step is to add a location. Tap New Location, then type in the name of the location. Now you're ready to add a certification to the location. Tap the location you just created, then tap to add a new certification. Fill in the necessary details, making sure to enter the equipment type, then specify the system type using the button below the fields. Next, choose either Needs Repair or Repaired to record the status of the issue. Now, scroll down and select the document type. There are 4 options: Comment for documenting a repair, Change Order for creating a change order in the field, Work Estimate for creating an estimate, and Invoice for on-site billing. It's important to remember that filling out one document type, then changing to a different document type, will erase the information entered into the first document. Only record one document type for each certification. To add a photo of the system you're repairing or quoting for, tap one of the photo areas, then take a photo with your phone. Your photo will be watermarked with a time, date, and GPS stamp, and you can also set the ambient temperature in the upper right-hand corner. These readings are locked into the document so that it can't be edited. Add up to 15 additional photos as needed to create a thorough record. You can zoom in on them to confirm that the readings are clearly documented. Tap Sign and Email to review your results, then add your signature right on the screen. Be sure to record the name and title of the person who did the repair, along with any administrative authorities and inspectors as you attach their signatures to the record. Tap to add additional signatures if necessary. Finally, you'll submit the results using the @ sign at the top right. The app will generate an email for your certification. Just add a subject line, enter the email addresses of the relevant parties, including yourself, and tap Send. It's important to note that you'll need to have an address set up in your device's default email app for this to work. Third-party email apps aren't supported. The app stores all completed certificates and reports in the Emailed Certificates section on the home page. If you're creating a work order, then going back to make an invoice, you can open an existing form from the Projects folder and duplicate it by tapping Edit at the bottom of the page. Note that photos will not be duplicated. With the TimeLock Docs Mechanical Reports app, you can create professional, secure reports in minutes from anywhere. For more support, documentation, and more information about the Mechanical Reports app, visit TimeLockDocs.com.